Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the person detection and counting using machine learning. Okay, so first we have to run the Python file and then we have to enter the video ending time. Okay, then we have to copy the video path and then we have to paste in that location, or if you have to run the real time detection, then you have to just write 0. So it will open the laptop front camera and it will count the number of person, like total number of person. So first it will detect the person and then it will count. Okay, so it is right now it is counting as 1. Okay, let's close it and I will give another input video. First we have to copy those copy the path of the location. Like I'm just copy the location of the input video. I'm just copying that location and click on OK. So let's open the terminal, write cmd, then run the Python file and then enter the ending time and paste the location of the video and the video name. So first it will process and then it will count the total number of person in that input video. We are giving that particular input video. Okay, let's enter the video name. This is the video which we are giving input and it is processing and it will count the total number of person in that particular video. So let's close it and giving another input video. Let's close the terminal. Now copy the location of that second input video. So just copy the location and again run the Python file. Open the terminal and then run the Python file and enter the ending time of video and paste the location of the video with the video name and the format. Okay, now it will count the total number of person in that input video. Right now there is 2 person. So it will also detect the person and it will count the total number of person in that input video. Like you can provide any input video. The video should be of good quality. Okay, if the video not be in good quality, then it can't detect properly. Okay, now it will also store the result in the notepad file with the timing and date and with the total number of person in that particular frame. So in the video it will count that frame by frame. So let's open the first notepad file. You can see it will store with the date, time and total number of person. This is the complete project and thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.